Hello friends, welcome to my channel MySakhi. Today we will make Ramzan special recipe egg pizza roll. This new recipe is specially for children because during Ramzan especially children have a new demands every day. So this egg pizza roll is a very crispy, easy and quick recipe. So let's see its recipe. So to make these, first of all I have boiled 4 potatoes and grated them after they cool down. Then I will add dry spices here, which I have taken according to pizza flavor because we have to bring pizza flavor in it. So here it's a 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala powder, 1 tablespoon of pizza seasoning mix and 1 tablespoon of oregano. After that I am adding finely chopped onion, tomato and capsicum. Here you can take any other vegetables of your choice. After this we will add 2 eggs into it. I have boiled the eggs and cut them into small pieces. Then here we will add grated mozzarella cheese. You can keep its quantity more or less as per your choice. Now we will mix all this well. We will not mix them by pressing too much. Just mix them with light hands because we have added potatoes in it. Pressing too much while mixing will make it more sticky. So here it's mixed well. Now I have taken 4 slices of bread here. I have removed its sides. Make fine pieces from them and add them to the mixture and mix them well again. After mixing them well, we have to apply little oil on both of our palms so that the mixture doesn't stick to our hands and the roll is formed properly. So accordingly to the size of the rolls we want to make, we will take portion from it and make rolls of this type of shape. You can make any other shape of your choice, but here we are making the roll, hence we will give the shape of this roll only. You can see that a nice roll is ready very easily. Similarly, we will apply oil on the palms and make all the rolls and keep them in a separate plate. So I have prepared all the rolls here. First of all, we will dip them in the slurry made from flour. I have made a slurry of this consistency by mixing all-purpose flour, water and salt together. Then I have taken breadcrumbs here. After dipping them in a slurry, we will coat them with these breadcrumbs. So first of all, we will dip them gently in the slurry. After this, we will put it in a breadcrumbs and give a good coating of breadcrumbs on it. You can see that a roll has been prepared here. In the same way, we will prepare all the rolls by dipping them in the slurry and later coating them with the breadcrumbs. We should not keep the slurry too thin and should not keep it too thick. We will make a slurry of medium consistency in which the rolls will dip well. So here we have prepared all the rolls. Now we will fry them. So here I had already kept enough oil to heat so that the rolls get deep fry inside. For the first few seconds we will fry them on a high flame only. Then we will decrease the flame medium to high and fry them completely. We should not fry them at all on a slow flame, otherwise they will absorb too much oil and will become very oily. It doesn't take too much time to fry them. They get fried in just 2 to 3 minutes because we don't have to cook anything in them. We just have to fry them till the upper coating is get fried. So you can see that the color of rolls has been changed. It means that the upper coating has been fried. So now we will take them out. Similarly, we will fry all the rolls initially on a high flame and later on a medium to high flame. So here our crunchy egg pizza roll is ready. Their pizza flavor makes them special and tasty, because of which children will like it very much. So definitely try this recipe in Iftar this Ramzan. If you like the recipe, then don't forget to save the video and like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.